Hello kids, today we're gonna start with the rules are for everyone part 2. अभी तक अगर आपने पार्ट 1 नहीं देखा है तो ऊपर आई बटन पे आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा. So we follow many customs and tradition in our lives. We follow those tradition by observing our mother, father, grandparents and other relatives. There are several good customs and tradition in our society. ज़रूरत है ना हमें ये सारी चीज़ों की? Yes, we celebrate festival together. We feel so excited, right? Even we call a guest who visit us and are hospitable to them. Many of our custom enable us to maintain the balance of a nature. Clear? So, festival celebrate करना एक दूसरे के साथ, मेहमान घर पे आना. So these are some of the things which we actually celebrate in a society. Even we express our love and gratitude towards the animal because they are also a part of a society, so we should also respect them. The value of a non-violence and peace have been a part of our social life since ancient time. पुराने ज़माने से ये बात चलती आ रही है कि हमें हमेशा नॉन वायलेंस रहना चाहिए, पीस माइंडेड रहना चाहिए ताकि हम कभी कोई गलत काम ना करें. Even so, there are some tradition and custom that are not desirable. They are not beneficial for our society. जैसे कि कास्ट डिस्टिंक्शन. ये जो कास्ट डिस्टिंक्शन मतलब भेदभाव कास्ट को लेकर कि ये हम बड़े कास्ट के हैं, आप छोटे कास्ट के हो तो आप यही काम करोगे, दैट इज़ नॉट गुड. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस अ डिवाइड बीन सीन and it has been created in a society and it has given rise to inequality. Untouchability was an inhuman. Clear? Untouchability unjust custom है. So the Constitution of Independence India abolished the custom of untouchability. Abolish मतलब वो नहीं चाहिए अभी और अभी है भी नहीं. So किसने किया? Constitution of Independent India ने abolish कर दिया the custom of untouchability. Many times law have to be made to abolish unjust custom. बहुत से लॉ बने हैं ताकि पुराने जो रीति रिवाज है उसे हम बंद कर सकें. So in our country, the customs such as sati and child marriage were abolished by making the law that banned them. एक ऐसे लॉ बनाए गए जिसकी वजह से सती और चाइल्ड मैरिजेस अभी बैन है, कोई इसे अलाउ नहीं करता. So the law that banned the use of magic for cheating the people was first enacted in Maharashtra. Even receiving a dowries has been banned by the law. Wrong custom and tradition cause the neglect of some section of society. They have no access to education. इसी वजह से they face this problem of dowry, the cheating purpose. So they have no means of livelihood. Therefore, they have to face the poverty. यहाँ तक कि poverty and lack of education are the two big obstacle in our society. ये दो चीज़ों के वजह से we are lacking behind and we can only make a progress together if we get rid of this obstacle. So we have to be a educated person and well-being person, right kids? Protecting our environment. Just as a law are necessary to maintain the equality and justice in a society, laws are also required for the protection of the environment. है ना? Environment को protect करना is the most important. We are dependent on a nature. Most of our needs are fulfilled by the nature. Natural resources जो कि available है in enough quantity for the need of our future generation. Therefore, we must conserve these natural resources. We must use them carefully. In this chapter, we have learned about caste discrimination, gender inequality, lack of education for a woman, and some of the big obstacles in our society. To overcome this obstacle, so many social workers have worked very hard, like Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, Raja Rishi Shahu Maharaj, and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar try to get rid of these obstacles. They work very hard to get the rights for a woman, education. They work against inequalities and many more. The social workers like Savitribai Phule had to fight a great battle for a woman's education. Her colleague Fatima Sheikh provided her with a valuable assistance in this fight. They work very hard for the women's rights for an education. Social worker like Maharishi Dondo Keshav Karve also did a great work to promote a women's education. The work of all these social worker was instrumental in bringing about the positive changes in our society. They work very hard for us. So kids, what we have learned from this chapter? Let's just recap it. Like, rules made for a people are changed from time to time. Second, rules in the olden days were in the form of a religious, tradition and social custom. Point 3, laws are made to combat inhuman and undesirable tradition and customs. So these are some of the things which we have learned in this chapter. So here we have done with the part 2, rules are for everyone. For part 1 you can have a look in the description box, the link is in there. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.